the Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation. This is headed by Director Dr. Karina L. Sales, the College Student Activities Coordinator and College Sports Coordinator, Mr. Robert S. Madrazo, the CSE President, Mr. James Harold S. Lim,
and the Sports Club President, Ms. Rica de Guzman. And partner, let's also acknowledge the presence of Honorable Giselle Richard Salceda.
thank you for coming, sir.
Wow! May pabaon. Grabing buwis buhay na pabaon yon.
Iba-ibang baon
Oo.
ito. Nakakaloka. People in red, hiyawan, sigawan, P-U-I-P-E-S-R!
Pulang-pula.
Aabangan natin to. Sila pa ba ang uuwi ng trono ngayong taon?
Big question.
Ayan, ang tanong, sila pa ba? Papayag ba yung iba?
And of course, as the students are still walking their way to their designated areas, we'd like to award the plaque of appreciation to Honorable Victor U. Perete in grateful acknowledgement of his distinguished and invaluable service rendered as guest of the Bicol University Sports Development Program Office. Awarded during the 2025 Bicol University Olympics with the theme, The Heart of the Champion, Driven for Humanity, Inspiring Home. Given this 20th day of October 2025 at Bicol University Albay Sports Complex, Legazpi City, Albay.
This is, of course, awarded by none other than our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, and our Vice Presidents.
And of course, the same citation and plaque of appreciation is given to Honorable Ronel U. Lim. Thank you very much, po, sir. Again, this will be awarded by our dear President and of course, the Vice Presidents. The same plaque and citation is awarded to Honorable Ann Y. Ong Hoko. Thank you po. And of course, the same plaque is awarded to Honorable Reynaldo B. Bragais, represented by Honorable Gio Ong Bongal. Alright, the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, nandito pa rin sila sa ating pasilyo. Ayan, pasilyo. This is the Albay Sports Complex. And of course, we are now live at the BU official Facebook page and ako, Bicol Region TV. The same plaque and citation is given to Honorable Giselle Richard G. Salceda.
Approaching from the College of Science, headed by Dean Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano, Associate Dean Professor Christian C. College Student Activities Coordinator, Mr. Mark H. Daen.
The College Sports Coordinator, Mr. Jerome A. Azul. The CSE President, Jonathan Anton Lavapie. And the Sports Club President, Mark Stephen Avila.
Bicol University College of Science.
And this is the College of Science. So kanina, we already introduced and welcome the Open University Graduate School, College of Law, College of Medicine, the College of Business Economics and Management, the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, the College of Education, College of Dental Medicine, the College of Arts and Letters, Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, and currently, naglalakad pa sa ating sports complex, the College of Science.
Comment lang tayo. Hindi na makatas.
And of course, we have the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development. This is headed by, of course, the Dean, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo, Associate Dean, Professor Jovel L. Duana, the College Student Activities Coordinator, Professor Maria Rachel Laurinaria, the College Sports Coordinator, Mr. Dio L. Geocada, the CSE President, Isha Claire A. Mendones, and the Sports Club President, Denzel Frederick O. Velasco. Approaching the stage, the College of Nursing. This is headed by Dean, Registered Nurse, Professor Jean Annette S. Ibo, the Associate Dean, Ma'am Fatima B. Kalingason, the College Student Activities Coordinator, Mr. Gaspar R. Santos, the College Sports Coordinator, Mr. Rodel A. Nino Franco, the CSE President, Mr. Rex S. Cantoria, and the Sports Club President, Thomas Adrian A. Marbella. And of course, approaching the stage, the College of Industrial Technology. This is, of course, headed by the Dean, Professor Jonathan C. Arroco, the Associate Dean, Professor Arlene A. Balieras, the College Student Activities Coordinator, Ms. Arlie G. Fresnido, and the CSC President, Justin Harme. Athletics, kainan
Kainan
na.
na! Kasi nandun yung food tech, kaya naman
Sabagay,
pala.
oo.
Ayun.
Witty.
Mukhang madami din sila, Sir Ash.
Wow, oo. Mukhang
Mukhang madami
madami.
naman.
Hindi mukhang, madami
Pero
talaga.
may baon silang
Oo.
musika mula sa silangan.
Wow. Mga busitenyo. And that's the College of Industrial Technology.
And approaching now, Buenos, the Institute of Design and Architecture. Institute of Design and Architecture is headed by Dean Dr. Maureen M. Sia, College Student Activities Coordinator, Engineer Edmar C. Toledo, College Sports Coordinator, Architect Virgilio M. Montero, CSC President Mr. Tristan Carmel F. De Mesa, Sports Club President Mr. Gabriel Ryan B. Ocoromas.
Ayan, well, we are having the parade, the entrance of different athletic delegations. We'd like to remind all the students to please keep watch of your valuables. Sa kasalukuyan, may nawawala po ba sa inyo ng telepono? Meron po kaming nakuha dito. So, opo, kunin na lang po ata sa guardhouse o kaya sa CSC office ng IPSR.
Maraming salamat, Institute of Design and Architecture. Moving on, we have the College of Engineering. This is headed by Dean Engineer Amelia B. Gonzalez, College Student Activities Coordinator, Engineer Gian Benedict Rontas, College Sports Coordinator, Engineer Victor M. Florese, and the CSC President, Jurien Dominic Sese.
And yes, we are still welcoming the College of Engineering into the Bicol University Sports Complex. And of course, we know that all the students are now enjoying each other's company. We would like to remind you to go to your respective areas. And at this juncture, partner, we only have four more spaces to fill in. And I believe in just a few more minutes, perhaps, we're going to proceed with our official program flow. Once again, thank you very much, College of Engineering. At this point, let us all welcome
Maraming salamat, College of Engineering. And now, BUNEOS, we have the Bicol University Pulangi. This is headed by Dean Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, Associate Dean Dr. Floridel S. Relucio,
the College of
Student
Activities Coordinator, Mr. Ben L. Saminiano, the College Sports Coordinator, Ms. Joverine D. Tanguin, and the CSE President, Ms. Aviel Blaze V. Bueno, the Sports Club President, Ms. Marie Shelo Balbuena.
And again, we would like to acknowledge Honorable Giselle Richard G. Salceda, the Mayor of the Municipality of Pulangi. Maraming salamat, sir, for your time. May baon din, Sir Ash. May baon din tayo. Nangingibalbaw ang pulang paro-paro.
Oo. Anong college yun? Oh, College of Nursing. Meron din silang color green symbolism kanina.
May kapartner na ang College of Nursing. All the way from BU Pulangi. Yan ang baon ng BU Pulangi, partner.
And kung titignan mo, partner, madami rin silang mga students ngayon, ano?
Yes, marami ring magpa-participate sa hataw mamaya. Maraming salamat for the effort, of course. Dean Katanggi from BU Pulangi. Maraming salamat po.
Sa muli, maraming salamat, BU Pulangi. At this juncture, let us welcome the Bicol University Ginobatan. This is headed by, of course, Professor Rosifin B.D., the Associate Dean, Professor Marine M. Maceres, the College Student Activities Coordinator, Ms. Hannah Anjani H. Olivares, the College Sports Coordinator, Ms. Marites O. Oriola, the CSE President, Mr. Jacob O. H. Amano, and the Sports Club President, Ms. Angela Casais.
Partner, napansin mo, this year mukhang mga paro-paro ang ating
Oo
tema.
nga, ang dami nating mga symbolism kanina. College of Nursing, and I believe yung isa ay from BU Pulangi, tama ba ako? And sa kasalukuyan, meron rin tayo from the from the Bicol University Ginobatan.
Yes. Ayan, ang ganda namang tingnan. And of course, no, the effort itself is priceless.
Yes, indeed.
No, galing pa sa ibang campuses ng Bicol University. Tingin mo, partner, lumipad ba sila? Yung mga
Grabe naman
costume?
yan.
Malay natin,
Oh,
mahika.
malay natin.
O,
Pero
diba?
regardless, ang pinaka-excited part ako sa buong program natin siguro is yung hataw pa
Oh,
rin.
syempre. Siya naman talaga.
Wearing the orange pom-poms. Hopefully, we can see something new this year.
And muli paalala, no, BUenos, sana naman po yung mga pom-poms natin mamaya, kuhanin din po natin. Huwag po nating ilalagay kung saan lang, no? Proper disposal po tayo mamaya.
And of course, partner, let us not forget to give thanks pa rin and appreciation to the mayors and the representatives na meron na nandito sa ating event for today. Imagine, from Ginobatan, we have Honorable Ann Y. Onghoko. Maraming salamat po ngayon pa lang. And syempre, partner, let us take this opportunity to thank our sponsors. And to JVIS, LCC Malls, SM Legazpi, Pacific Mall, Willie & Sons,
Smart, Simply Amazing, Converge FiberX, Honorable Kaloy Andres Loria, thank you very much. 2nd District Representative. 3rd District Representative, Honorable Adrian Salceda, Cabrod Printing,
Municipality of Daraga, Ako Bicol Online TV, Frank and David, Board Member Milagros Milabal, and Globe.
Thank you very much, Cosmetic Asia Corporation, Board Member Juan Miguel Salceda, Honorable Joey Sarte Salceda, Ismael Always, Activewear Production,
Mogu Mogu, Baby Co, Signal TV, Delphi Food Corporation, and of course, let's not forget Goya Philippines. Maraming salamat for being part of our Olympics 2025.
mamaya hihingi ako ng Goya partner.
Oo, hihingi tayo sa lahat.
Yes.
And that's the Bicol University Ginobatan. At this point, let us all welcome Bicol University Gubat. This is, of course, headed by our very own Dean, Professor Rosefe B.D., the Associate Dean, Dr. Evan Carlo B. De Blois, the College Student Activities Coordinator, Ms. Christine Andy Laguardia, the College Sports Coordinator, Mr. Jimson H. Candelaria, the CSE President, James Ryan Luna, the Sports Club President, Ms. Jess Gami.
And of course, we also have the participation and the presence of Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Gubat, Honorable Ronel Yu Lim. Maraming salamat, Mayor. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of our City Mayor of Legazpi City, Mayor Hisham Ismael.
Once again, thank you very much, Bicol University Gubat. At this juncture, let us welcome the Bicol University Tabaco. This is headed by the Dean, Professor Ronel R. Janeda Sr., the College Student Activities Coordinator, Dr. Glenda A. Abuela, the College Sports Coordinator, Dr. Sarah Jane B. Labarda, the CSE President, Wilfredo Bonaobra Jr. And of course, along with the BU Tobacco, is the representative of Honorable Reynaldo B. Bragais. We have here Honorable Gio Ong Bongao. The same certificate and plaque of appreciation is given to our very own Mayor, Honorable Hisham Ismail. This plaque of appreciation is awarded by, of course, the Bicol University President, Dr. Nabres III, along with the Vice Presidents.
Also, we have the Mayor of Pulangi, Honorable Giselle Richard G. Salceda. The Municipality of Daraga, Mayor Victor Perete.
And of course, from the Ginubatan, we have here Honorable Ann Y. Onhongko. And from Gubat, we have Honorable Ronel Yulim. Thank you very much po, Honorables, for being with us today. Once again, thank you very much, Bicol University Tobacco. Now entering the sports complex, the Bicol University Otaku
Taco
Circle.
Circle. Again, BUNyos, let's welcome the Bicol University Otaku Circle.
Yan, meron tayong Deadpool. Si Deadpool andon.
Ang ating mga cosplayers. Siya nga naman, talaga naman pag BUNyo, lahat alam.
Oo. And I think last year meron rin tayong BU Otaku Circle.
Hindi pa
Wala.
tatalo, hindi
Wala.
pa titibag. Wala.
Meron.
Meron.
Halos every year. Sa 3 taon nating pag-host,
Yes.
laging andyan sila. Hello, kaway-kaway po tayo. Bicol University Otaku Circle.
Otaku Circle.
Ayan.
Sige, ibandera ang ating mga daladalang sandata.
Hi, Maui. Wow. What can I say except you're welcome? Welcome to Bicol University Olympics 2025.
Nasaan si Moana? I'm looking for Wala.
Bicol University, let us welcome the Mr. and Miss
Bicol
BU
University Olympics candidates.
Ay, hindi tayo nag-match. The BU Olympics candidates.
We have from the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Next to them, we have the College of Nursing.
Again, number 1, Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
We also have the candidates from the College of Nursing. We also have the College of Science.
Candidate number 4, College of Arts and Letters. Candidate number 5 approaching from the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
And we also have the 6 candidates we have here from the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Candidate number 7 we have from the College of Education.
And yes, Ma'am Grace, to help us find the Mr. and Miss Olympics 2025, we are being assisted by our 3 judges. So we have here a part of the Human Resource Center of Excellence, specializing in employee relations, employee engagement, and corporate communications, which fosters a positive workplace culture through strategic communication initiatives, and of course, employee engagement programs and collaboration. Let us welcome Mr. John Howard Clotario.
Our judge number 1. Our 8th candidate from the Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
And of course, our Board of Judges will not be completed without the second, a graduate of University of Santo Tomas. He completed his 3 full terms as City Councilor of Tabaco and is known for championing good governance and inclusive legislation. Let us welcome the board member, Attorney Gio Ong Bongao.
Our candidate number 9, we have from the College of Dental Medicine.
Malakas ang hiyawan, but to complete our set of judges, we have the third one. He used a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting at Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, year 2015. He's awarded as the Ginoong Tabak, Turismo year 2017. A marketing consultant at Hotels and Tobacco and the marketing manager of SM Legazpi City. We have Mr. Ray Chavenia Mendina.
Candidate number 10 from the Institute of Design and Architecture. Candidate number 11, College of Engineering.
Once again, our judges are the following. We have Mr. John Howard Clotario, Judge number 2, Honorable John Gio Ong Bongao, and the third is Mr. Ray Chavenia Mendina.
Candidate number 12 from the College of Industrial Technology.
That's the candidates from the College of Industrial Technology. Let's also welcome the candidates from the Bicol University, Guba.
Candidate number 14 from Bicol University, Tabaco. Our next candidate number 15 from Bicol University, Pulangi. Our last but definitely not the least candidate, candidate number 16 from Bicol University, Guerobatan. Thank you very much again, our candidates for 2025 Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics. We shall be having a 3-minute break po for the meantime. So again, 3-minute break po tayo before we proceed to our opening program. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the rest of our day.
Sound check. Sound check. Sound check.
Okay? Tayong kamatara. Hello? Ayun si Tito. Dito na kayo? Ay, may sasayaw dyan. Dito, doon na kayo. Doon na kayo.
Magandang hapon, BUeños!
Good afternoon, Bicol University. Welcome to BU Olympics 2025 with the theme
The heart of the champions, driven for humanity, inspiring hope. It is another time for Bicol University Olympics. Here we are again, partner, for another season of being one here on the stage. The theme we have for this year captures the essence of becoming together in the steps these athletes must take to become champions.
And to add, the theme not only speaks about being a champion, but it goes beyond. Being a true champion is someone who is driven with compassion and purpose.
It also celebrates the individualities of our athletes and how they continuously lift others through kindness, dedication, and courage.
And I truly agree with you, partner, because of course, we are training or making athletes instilled with discipline and the camaraderie to lead other individuals to serve as examples of what humanity is. And you mentioned a while ago that we are here. And yes, parang kailan lang, nandun pa rin tayo sa baba to welcome the diverse individuals from different academic units.
Yes, I still remember we were welcoming the delegations and ngayon ganun pa rin yung ating
Oo.
ginagawa.
And the energy is still the
Yes,
same.
pero of course, partner, Bicol University Olympics is known for its energy. Nasaan ang energy ng BUeños?
Meron pang energy, partner.
Ayan, so people here are very excited, I believe. We have this whole week, partner, isang buong linggong pagsasama-sama.
Indeed, it is a long week of being together here, and that means we will be witnessing students joining and representing their academic units in varied sports. But for now, partner, let us enjoy the moment with these people around us.
Yes, we have people from different offices, faculty members, and the administrative staff. They are all here to join us in this festivity. And of course, marami tayo mga guests. Nakakatuwang
Maraming salamat po for being with us in this year's Olympics. And not only they, Ma'am Grace, we have the visitors and viewers from different communities. Welcome to Bicol University and of course, to the most awaited BU Olympics. Bago yan, partner, before natin makalimutan, once again, this is your host, Andre Asherania, together
and
with
this is
me.
Grace Velasco, always at your service. And we will be with you throughout this event.
Yes, and moving forward, we would like to request everyone to rise as we sing the Philippine National Anthem. And this will be followed by the Thanksgiving prayer to be led by, of course, Dr. Reina O. Habalo.
Lupang Everyone, let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Loving and gracious God, we come before you today with hearts filled with gratitude and joy as we open this year's University Olympics. Thank you, Lord, for the gift of life, strength, and health, and for gathering us together in friendship, unity, and joyful competition. We thank you for this special occasion that celebrates not only athletic skill, but also discipline, teamwork, and respect. May these games strengthen our bonds as one academic community, inspire excellence with humility, and remind us that true victory lies in fairness, integrity, and the spirit of camaraderie. Heavenly Father, we dedicate this year's Olympics to you as an offering of gratitude and hope. May this celebration of unity also become our humble prayer for peace. Peace in our hearts, in our university, in our communities, in our nation, and throughout the world. May the harmony we strive for in these games reflect the understanding and compassion that our world so deeply needs today. We also lift to you all who are suffering from the effects of calamities, from typhoons, earthquakes, and other disasters affecting many parts of our country and the world. As we offer these games, we remember them with love and solidarity. Grant them comfort, healing, and renewed strength, Lord, and bless the hands and the hearts that work tirelessly to help them rebuild their lives. As we begin this week-long event, we ask for your divine protection. Keep every athlete, coach, official, and participant safe from harm or injury. May honesty and fairness guide every match, and may humility and grace accompany both victory and defeat. Bless to all who have worked hard to make this event possible. May their efforts bear fruit in joy, unity, and pride for our beloved university. We lift all these prayers to you, O Lord, the ultimate source of strength, peace, and love. Amen.
You may now be seated. Maraming salamat, Dr. Reyna O. Habalo. At this point, let us all witness the opening salvo from the Bicol University Majorettes, the Bicol University Albay Magayon Dance Troupe, the Bicol University Athletes, and the Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics candidates.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng biyuhenyo. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas loob sa kabutihan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dahil ang mundo. Biyuhenyo, halina sumabay sa tutugin ang ating tagumpay. Siling natin
Lip-sync. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the candidates for Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics 2025.
Let us welcome the candidates from the main campus. Let us welcome the candidates from the Daraga campus. East Campus. The satellite campuses.
Let's meet our candidates in their self-introduction.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the candidates in their introduction.
Mic check. This is Arlie Uzui Marco
And I'm Amrinder Daliwa.
from Jesse M.
M.
Robredo
Robredo
Institute of Governance and Development!
This is Dominic Novora and Conado.
This is Kim Vienis May Olyanes Pilarte mula sa Kolehiyo ng Pagkalinga
College of Nursing!
Sa ngalan ng agham at teknolohiya,
Leonard Matabuena Lisano.
this is Sarah Atalis Balhemino, Kolehiyo ng Agham! Diyos marahay na banggi sa Indoga, boss.
Magandang gabi, Bicol University!
I am Ishi Nicole Gogola Inyorga.
And I am Lawrence Barnedo, 21,
Mula sa kolehiyo ng matatalino,
matatapang
magagaling,
at talentado,
kolehiyo ng arte at letra.
Strength, spirit, sportsmanship, bearing the pride of excellence. This is John Claude Wayne Shoson Santa Ana.
Strong and shining beyond limits. I am Bea Shane Relos from the College of Business, Economics, and Management. Going beyond the best.
This is Maria Juliana Burak.
This is Clyde Jace Rubies Augusto
From
the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
one goal,
One game.
one BUC community, bringing sports to excellence. This is Aljon de la Fuerte.
And this is Jasmine Grajeda Guerriba, representing
College of Education. Tatak Eduk.
Tatak Siinian.
Christopher Nishinseno.
This is Micaela Nicola Tutuba from the home of the champions, Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation.
This is Micaela Janelle Salting Dura.
And this is Hans Christian B. Canales,
College of Dental Medicine.
Hi, I am Rock Dondonilia Mancera.
And this is Sandara Lozares Reynal,
Institute of Design and Architecture.
Sarome Sanchez Jimena.
This is George Akbang Angeles.
Mula sa Kolehiyo ng mga Inhinyero. This is Sushmita Lazarte Singh.
Andre Harcel Madridano Lirio.
Proudly representing College of Industrial Technology. Sumalaon,
Miguel Ababag Dicano,
representing Bicol University, Gubat Campus!
A great player plays with skills, but a true champion plays with heart. Good evening, Bicol University! I am Micaela Blanche Capamalonda, 21.
I don't compete to participate. I compete to dominate. Clark Aaron de Villa, 20!
From the home of the excellence, the strong, and the game changer,
Bicol University, Pulangi!
My name is Arlene Gocarulio.
And I am Rene Ray Fajardo Morota from the representing Bicol University, Ginobatan!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the candidates for this year Mr. and Miss BU Olympics. To help us with the judging of the candidates, we have Judge number 1, John Howard Clotario. Judge number 2, Honorable John Gio Ong Bongao. Judge number 3, Mr. Ray Chavinia Mendina. Let us all witness the results later on. Mga kaibigan, at this point, allow me to call on the Vice President for Administration and Finance and the Chairperson of the University Athletic Board, Mr. Cyrus A. Baramera, to deliver the welcome address.
To Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela, the Commissioner of Commission on Higher Education, to the Honorable Mayor Isham Ismail of the City Government of Legazpi, to the Honorable Mayor Victor Perete of Municipality of Daraga, the Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Ginobatan, Mayor Ann Y. Ongoko, the Honorable Mayor of Municipality of Gubat, Sorsogon, Mayor Ronel Lim, Mayor of Municipality of Pulangi, Mayor Giselle Richard Salceda, Mayor Ray Bragais, represented by Honorable Gio Bongao of the City of Tabaco, and the Vice Mayor Glenda Ong Bongao of the City of Tabaco. To our dear Bicol University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. To my fellow Vice Presidents, Dr. Maria Julieta Bibores, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Professor Sani A. Ramos, Vice President for Planning and Development, Vice President for Research Development Extension, Dr. Lani Maceda, the Deans and Directors, Associate Deans and Directors, other BU officials, our students, teaching and non-teaching personnel, and most especially to our athletes, good evening. Welcome to the 2025 Bicol University Olympics. What a wonderful sight. Athletes, coaches, students, faculty and staff, all gathered here, ready to compete, cheer, and celebrate. Every year, this event gives us a well-deserved breather from school assignments, learning activity deadlines, and long lectures for us to enjoy something we all need from time to time: fun, movement, and friendly competition. This is that 1 week when sweating out doesn't mean paperwork, but actual real sweat, and that's a great thing. Beyond the games, friends, this Olympics is really about true spirit, the kind that keeps us united as one BU community. It's about teamwork, perseverance, discipline, and the joy of being part of something bigger than ourselves. To our athletes, may you give your best, play fair, and enjoy every moment. To our coaches, sports officials, and organizers, thank you for your time and effort and patience. We know what it takes to make this happen. As we open this year's Sports Olympics, let's carry the university's vision in everything we do, to grow, to connect, and to serve with passion and compassion. So let's run, jump, cheer, laugh, and make memories that will remind us why community truly matters. Win or lose, what counts most is that we play together as one university. So once again, welcome to this 2025 BU Olympics, and good evening once again.
Thank you very much, Cyrus A. Barameda, for setting the tone of this year's Olympics. Okay, at this juncture, we'll now be proceeding with the hoisting of the BU flag and the singing of the Bicol University hymn. And as part of the program, it is considered to be a symbol of the four pillars where we continuously uphold. It also represents unity, excellence, and the unwavering commitment as members of Bicol University. So as the Bicol University flag is being raised, may we all stand in reverence and pride, embodying the spirit of a true BUeño, driven for humanity, inspiring hope. The hoisting of the BU flag will be led by, of course, our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, and Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., CESO 3. We also, the Chad Regional Director. They will be assisted by our Vice Presidents, Dr. Maria Julieta Bibores, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. Also, we have here Professor Sonny A. Ramos, the Vice President for Planning and Development, Dr. Lani Almaceda, the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, and of course, Mr. Kyle Reuben Obron, the University Student Council President. And of course, together with them, we have Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela, the Education Advisor and the Future Education of the ASEAN Secretariat in Jakarta. And of course, today we have our very own guest, Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela. Welcome po, ma'am, to Bicol University, and thank you very much for spending time here in the Olympics opening program. And also, I'd like to acknowledge Dr. Bibon. He is the representative of Dr. Demetrio P. Aduyan Jr. Sir, thank you very much po for being with us.
Thank you very much to our beloved President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Z. Nerbres III, and to our Vice Presidents.
And of course, to our guest, Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela, and likewise Dr. Michael B. Bibon, for being here with us.
To further inspire us in this meaningful gathering, we shall hear a message of support from one of our distinguished guests. He is a respected leader in the field of education, known for his dedication to excellence, integrity, and service.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming Dr. Demetrio P. Anduyan Jr., the CHED Regional Director. But because he, of course, po, Madam.
The students are making their waves. Nauuna na. Huwag kayong mag-alala, BUNyos. Malapit na ang ating pinakahihintay. The moment of truth. Okay, so there you go. Sige, continue. Parang hindi oriented yung iba.
Oo, I think they're
No.
first year. Oo.
Yeah, hindi oriented.
Freshmen.
Sige. Gusto nyo bang mag-wave? Ulit, mas malakas. Gusto nyo bang mag-wave? Ready! Na-practice natin yan ha. Ready for the wave. 1, 2, 3, wave!
Wow!
Buhayin ang hiyawan! Sigawan!
And of course, this Bicol University Olympics 2025 will never be completed without the list of our sponsors. First of all, we'd like to extend our thanks to Davis, LCC Malls, SM Legazpi, Pacific Mall, Willie & Sons,
Smart, Converge Fiber X, Honorable Kaloy Andes Loria, Honorable Adrian Salceda, Cabrad Printing, Municipality of Daragao,
Ako Bicol Online TV, Frank and David, Board Member Milagros Milabal, Globe, Cosmetic Asia Corporation,
Wear Production,
Mogu Mogu, Babyco, Signal TV, Delphi Food Corporation, and of course, Goya, Philippines. At this juncture, partner, I guess we should continue with the program. To give us a message of support, he will be represented by Dr. Michael B. Bibon, the Educational Advisor 2. Let us all give him a round of applause, please.
Marhay na banggi sa Indugabos.
Marahay na banggi.
To the President of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. To our former Commissioner, Com Ethel, Doc Ethel Valenzuela. To the VPs, Deans, faculty members, students, other dignitaries whose names I can no longer mention. I'm sorry. Once again, marhay na banggi po sa Tuya Gabos. On behalf of the Commission on Higher Education and of course our Regional Director, I would like to convey my sincere congratulations to the Bicol University, its organizers for organizing the BU Olympics 2025. So from the lens of the Commission, this activity is actually not just an Olympics, but actually this is a celebration of sportsmanship. I mean, not only sportsmanship, but of course, discipline and unity as well. So, thank you. So, Jed, this activity, the BU Olympics, is not just actually an activity for the students, but this is actually for the entire Bicolano. So, Ched commends the excellence and leadership by the Bicol University for coming up with this activity. And as you uphold your vision for becoming a world-class university for social transformation, please know that CHED stands with you in this endeavor for promoting academic excellence and athletic distinction. Marhay na banggi po sa Tuya Gabos asin maugmang BU Olympics 2025.
Thank you very much, Dr. Michael Bibon, for the message you have given to us. It truly means a lot to have you here in this celebration. Sir, we now come to the part where we will also be inviting another important individual to give her message. Everyone, let us welcome the Education Advisor on the future of education of the ASEAN Secretariat in Jakarta. Let us all welcome, let's give her a round of applause, Dr. Ethel Agnes P. Valenzuela.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Super excited. Akala ko nasa ASEAN Games ako. At para ko umattend ng Miss Universe and Mr. Universe. I am delighted to join you and I'm very happy that our dear President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres, Dr. Benji, Dr. Maria Bores, Dr. Cyrus Barameda, Professor Sunny Ramos, Dr. Larry Maceda, and the mayors joining us tonight. Magandang gabi po. Alam ko na kung sino panalo. Joke. Well, today is a different day. We will celebrate our team. We will celebrate our BU spirit. Bicol University Olympics 2025 is not just a competition. It will also show that this university is a university for humanity. Na kahit tayo ay maglalaban-laban, tayo ay magkakaisa at magtutulungan para makamit ang ating objectives. Para sa bawat manlalaro, para sa lahat na magko-compete, I wish you all the very best. Sana manalo ang inyong team. And to all the BU administrators, sana meron lahat silang mapanalunan. So, without further ado, I wish you all the best. Team spirit, you will only win if you will cooperate, collaborate, and if you will act as one. Kung hindi tayo magkakaisa, hindi tayo mananalo. Tandaan po natin, we will work as one. Congratulations and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.
Once again, thank you very much for giving us your time and joining in this event, Dr. Valenzuela. We will be giving a token of appreciation from the Bicol University Alumni Association and BUCSSP. This is to be given by Attorney
Dr. Alex Nepomuceno.
Another token will also be given from the USC, to be given by the USC chairperson, Mr. Kyle Braun.
And of course, token of appreciation from BUUFAI by Faculty Regent, Professor Indira Tabo. And of course, a token of appreciation from President Benji and Bicol University community to be given.
Citation reads, message of appreciation. My warmest and heartfelt gratitude, Dr. Ethel Agnes Pascua Valenzuela, in grateful recognition of your steadfast commitment to advancing Philippine higher education and for your invaluable support in empowering communities and academic institutions, especially Bicol University. This certificate is awarded with deep appreciation and respect. Jos Mabalos, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Z. Nebres III, SUC President for Bicol University.
And of course, once again, thank you very much, Dr. Ethel, for giving us time.
Maraming salamat, Dr. Indira Tabo, Attorney Dean Alex Nepomuceno.
Thank you very much po sa ating Bicol University Board of Regents. Palakpakan po natin sila. Sila po ang bumubuo ng polisiya at suporta financially sa ating Bicol University. Thank you, our dear President, Benji Nebres.
We also would like to acknowledge, maraming salamat po, Vice President for Academic Affairs. We also have another token from our Vice President for Academic Affairs. Meron pa po. Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, maraming salamat po. And from the University Student Council, Mr. Bron, thank you very much.
And also a token from our VP RDE. Maraming salamat po. And of course, the Director of the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. And of course, our Vice President, Ma'am Lani Maceda. All right. At this point, we will be calling all the deans and directors as they will be presenting their delegation. So, Ma'am Grace, at this point, we will be sticking with the parade's flow. So, tatawagin po namin kayo according to the order of the parade. So, let's start the ball rolling. We'd like to request all the deans and directors to be here with us.
Paredy na po tayo, our deans and directors, for the presentation.
Okay po. From the College of Business Economics and Management, we have Dr. Dimson Rivero.
Bicol University! Basta magagaling!
Sa Sibem ng galing!
Yes, listen up! At BUCBM, we don't settle for less. We
Go beyond the best!
from the unstoppable College of Business, Economics, and Management. We present to you with pride
198 fearless athletes
30 relentless coaches
and 30 powerhouse assistant coaches.
BUCBM. This is our time. Now, let me hear you shake this place.
Go Sibem! Go beyond the best! Go Sibem!
Go!
Beyond the best!
Go!
Sibem!
Go!
Go beyond the best!
Go! CBM! Go! Go! Beyond the best!
Thank you very much, Dr. Dimson.
Mga kababayan, tumayo po tayong lahat. Bigyan ng palakpak ang Red Team! Woo! Ang inaabangan, ang nakatadhana, ang tunay na kampyon, Red Team BU CSSP!
Red, pula. Red, red, pula, pula, red, pula. Red, red, pula, pula, red, pula. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting from the true powerhouse of Bicol University Regents, the President himself as the chairperson, alumnus of Sociology of BU-CSSP. Yours truly as alumni regent, Kyle Braun as a student regent. The true home of consistent, unprecedented, unparalleled, top-notch performing school and top-notchers. True home, I don't say that others are false. Red, pula, red, red, pula, pula, red, pula. The college that is better than the best. That is second to no one. The college that gives the championship to others. Always champion at the beginning of Olympics, but never assured during the awarding. Ladies and gentlemen, 68 men and 61 women athlete delegates from the college that propelled excellence to greatness, the home of the true legacy leaders. Hep, hep! Uwian na!
Marhay na banggi sa Indugabos. With pride and passion, I present to you the Bicol University College of Medicine. A college that beats with excellence, compassion, and service to humanity. We are not competing for the games, but we will continue to bring honor, and we will win for the fourth time Mr. Bicol University, and for the first time Miss Bicol University. That's a promise. So, for today, we were joined by the first-year medical students, 92 spirited first-year medical students. And joining virtually are our 78 clinical clerks serving the different hospitals. Together with 162 proud juniors and 152 strong sophomores, and the heartbeat of tomorrow's healers. And behind them stand our 19 full-time faculty, 76 part-time mentors, and 36 devoted non-teaching staff, the true pillars of BUCM's journey, forming doctors with and for the people, and of course, the whole humanity. So, without much further delay, nandito na po tayo. Galing at talino! Tikas at talino! Viva! Viva! Viva Medicina! Hep, hep! One BUCM, one heartbeat for humanity. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening, Bicol University. From the College of Education, proudly presenting 119 athletes, 115 athletes, 19 faculty coaches, and 19 student coaches. On behalf of the faculty and administration of the College of Education, we are proud to present them for this Olympics. Ladies and gentlemen, from the heart of Bicol University, the College of Education,
Marahay Nabanggi sa Gabos. From the land of Cyber Campus of Bicol University, the Bicol University Open University, representing the 224 strong men and women in attendance today. Be ready! Bicol University, nasa palibot nyo lang kami. We will be joining you online.
Hello, Bicol University! With 1,981 students this first semester of school year 2025-2026 across Bicol region, nearby regions, and Metro Manila, extending globally, the BU Graduate School represents advanced education. Graduate School joins and strongly supports BU Olympics 2025. Good luck to the players of the different units. Let there be friendly competition. Mabuhay ang Bicol University!
The College of Law, sir.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. As the Dean of Bicol University College of Law, I proudly present the strong delegation from the home of future Bicolano lawyers, the future defenders of justice and advocates of truth. Our participation in 2025 BU Olympics emphasizes that quality legal education should not only be pursued inside the classroom and the courtroom, but also in the field, where teamwork, discipline, sportsmanship, and fair play help mold the future abogadong BUNyo. Go Bicol University College of Law, justice, camaraderie, and fair play, all in the service of humanity. Thank you very much.
Let's welcome the dental medicine.
Good evening, Bicol University! I present to you 61 athletes mula sa kolehiyong walang bunot-bunot dahil lahat pinaglalaban. From the College of Smiles and Laughter, home of the brave, College of Dental Medicine.
Silence on the set. Dos marhay na banggi sa tuya gabos, ang Bicol University Olympics, opisyal na nagpuon ngunya na aldaw. sa temang The Theme of the Champion, Driven for Humanity, Inspiring Hope. Labi sa Gismail, ang partisipante nagtiripon sa seremonya ng pagbukas ng BUPGA Sports Complex. Kaibaan mga partisipante kan College of Arts and Letters na may 150 na atleta na maglalaban sa manlain-lain na sports. Kasabay ang 13 na mga coaches na magtataonin giya sa inda. Ini po ang kabilugan ng Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra na igwang sinasabing matatapang, magagaling at matatalino. Marhay na banggi sa Indugabos.
From the home of Oragons, the makers of PE teachers, ang hindi patitinag sa lahat. Always ready to face all challenges, to achieve excellence, and make history. Lakasan, labanan, kampyonato, IBSR!
Good evening, Bicol University College of Science! Presenting 185 athletes and coaches, 120 teaching and administrative personnel and staff, and 1,500 enrolled students. Together, we embody the BUCS spirit, strong, smart, and unstoppable. Oops! Teka, may paparating. Sino yon? Sino yon? Siyentista na magagaling. Kami yon, kami yon. SCI, let's go. SCI, let's fight. Tantarantan CS, Tantarantan CS, Tantarantan CS. Go CS, go for championship. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone! From the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, we give you 70 players and 11 headstrong coaches and student coaches. We may not go for the winning team, but we stand for sportsmanship, fairness, and good play, while we bring the heart to the game. Good luck, everyone!
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready? Be prepared to witness the pulse of passion, the heartbeat of hope, and the lifeblood of excellence. I humbly present to you the 126 delegates of the College of Nursing. Of the College of Nursing. They are persevering not because the road is easy, but because their calling is greater than any obstacle. They are competitive, not to conquer others, but to constantly outdo their former self. They bring precision, pride, and a pulse that refuses to quit. They are aspirants to the crown, not for the glory, but because champions inspire. And they are here to lead, to heal, and to conquer. So watch closely, because when the College of Nursing steps forward, we don't just participate. We dominate, we elevate, and we champion the spirit of excellence. Good evening, everyone.
From the home of technologists and innovators, BU Wenyos from the East, we rise with strength, pride, and determination. Presenting the Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, composed of 26 faculty coaches and 192 athletes. The powerhouse of skill, innovation, and sportsmanship. Sa bawat palo ng martilyo, sa bawat ikot ng makina, sa bawat sigaw, dala namin ang tibay at tagumpay. We play not just to win, but to honor Bicol University and show that technology has the heart of a champion and true sportsmanship. Mabuhay ang Kolehiyo ng Teknolohiyang Industrial. Mabuhay ang pamantasan ng Bicol.
Good evening, Bicol University! With immense pride, passion, and unyielding spirit, the Institute of Design and Architecture proudly presents its 228 outstanding athletes and 16 dedicated coaches to the Bicol University Olympics 2025, representing not only skill and endurance, but also creativity and discipline, the very core of design and architecture. These athletes embody the Institute's commitment to excellence, both in the studio and on the field. As they step into the arena of competition, they carry with them the ideals of balance, precision, and determination, principles that mirror their life as future architects and designers. This year's delegation stands as a testament to the unity and strength of ideas community where artistry meets athleticism and teamwork fuels achievement. With hearts full of arty pride, the Institute of Design and Architecture champions not just victory, but the spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and excellence that define the true essence of the Bicol University Olympics 2025. Mabuhay ang Arki! At mabuhay ang Bicol University. Thank you.
College of Engineering. Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mga kabuenyo, mga katropa, mga kapamilya at kapuso. Ito na ang Team BU College of Engineering. Burabot kan mga uragon. The genetically born champions sa lahat ng anggulo. We don't just lead, but we move, igniting commitment, dedication, and the passion to win. Sa tahaw kan bagyo, tsunami at mga lindol, winning is playing with our hearts and soul. We don't only imagine, we don't only think the future, we calculate exponentially and actively shape the future innovatively and transformatively for continuous evolution. Kaya, orgulyo ang bawat panggana, sa bawat pagtumba, umaarangkada. Go, go, go! College of Engineering! Buseng! 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 Long live BU College of Engineering! Viva College of Engineering! Mabuhay tayong lahat! Mabuhay ang Bicol University! Laban! Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Good evening, Bicol University! Good evening, BU Pulangi! It is my honor to present 284 strong, resilient, and multi-talented athletes and coaches. We are the proud home of multi-talented victors, ready to beat the home of the champions. Biyo po lagi maurag, makusog. 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 Thank you.
Good evening, Bicol University! Good evening, BU Kinubatan! Sa kawat, dahil kami mapadaog, mayong filter, pero gwapo asin magagayon. Igwang longganisang sadet, pero manamit, igwa din kaming. Atletang diit, pero malalanit. Igwang dakulang buot, asin pagkamuot. BU, BU, BU Kinubatan. Ibaon sa lupa gawing pataba. Ilagay sa sako gawing abono. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening.
Mayad na gabi, Bicol University, Gubat Campus! Ladies and gentlemen, from the land of Kasanggayahan and the only unit outside the province of Albay, found in the municipality of Gubat, here the delegation of Bicol University, Gubat Campus, with 336 hataw dancers, 24 athletes, 8 student officers, 8 coaches, 31 faculty and personnel, together with our very supportive Mayor, Honorable Ronel Yulim. Go Gubat! Go Gubat! Go Gubat! Go, go, go! One move, one team, one Bicol University Gubat Campus. Bicol University Gubat Campus, are you ready? Go, go, go!
Maray na banggi sa gabos, gikan sa siyudad ning pagkamot, and from the College of Achievers and Top-Notchers, BU Taubaco, are you ready? Gikan sa 1,564 ming estudyante sa BU Tabaco, kami huminulbot ki 125 matitibay asin mas disiplinadong mga atleta para sa taon na iniong Olympics kang Bicol University. sinda magkikikompetensya na disiplinado asin malinig. And we are here to say na ang Bio Tobacco ay dapat pag-ismulon. Siring sa sira, anuman na lang sa yaon ang siram. The best is yet to come to Bio Tobacco. Bio Tobacco, Arya! 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 Salamat.
Thank you very much to all the deans and directors for presenting your delegation. At this juncture, we will be witnessing the hoisting of delegation banners. So this will be conducted by the College Sports Coordinator, College Student Affairs and Services Coordinators, College Student Council's Presidents, and of course, the College Sports Club Presidents.
Yes, partner. Each banner represents not only the colors of their delegation, but also the values, determination, and spirit that define true champions.
And of course, partner, may we request the College Sports Coordinators, College Student Council Presidents, College Student Affairs and Services Coordinators, and the College Sports Club Presidents to be in your respective posts. This is now the hoisting of the delegation banners.
Yes, a symbol of unity, pride, and sportsmanship among all participating teams. Sabi nga ni Doc Ethel kanina, kailangang magkaisa.
Yes,
Ah?
unity will make your team win.
Para maging panalo kayo, kailangan ninyong magkaisa.
And yes po, while the hoisting of the delegation banner is going to happen anytime now, we would like to request once again all the Mr. and Miss Bio Olympics to be back on stage as we are now going to award the winners likewise.
Yes, may nanalo na! Anong college kaya ang nagwagi sa Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics 2025? While we are waiting for our official candidates for the Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics 2025,
we'd like to extend thanks to the following judges who made this experience quite memorable for them. So we have judge number 1, Mr. John Howard Clutario.
our judge number 2, Honorable John Gio Ongbongao.
And of course, to complete the tabulators, we have here Mr. Ray Chavania Mendina. Mga kaibigan, I guess we are now ready with the hoisting of the delegation banners. Okay, let's count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your flags. And there you have it. The banners have already been raised. So we are now expecting a friendly competition among all of you in the coming days.
All right, moving forwards with our program.
May we call on the University Sports Development Program Coordinator,
Professor Hilario Andrew L. Revilla III, to present the tournament managers.
Andito ka po ba, Sir Bang?
Mike. Again, our University Sports Development Program Coordinator, none other than Professor Hilario Andrew L. Revilla III.
Hello. Marahay nabanggi sa Indogabos.
Marahay na banggir.
As the University Sports Development Program Coordinator, may I present to you the tournament managers for this year's BU Olympics 2025. For archery, we have Mr. Louis Bal from the College of Education. Arnis, Sir Vince Ricacho from BU IPSR. Athletics, men and women, Sir Winifredo Madriñan Jr. For badminton men, yours truly, Hilario Andrew Revilla III. And for badminton women, Miss Jas Daniel Gonzalez. Baseball, Sir Donald Daef. Basketball men, Sir Lyndon Bailon. Basketball women, Ma'am Arian Arevalo. Beach volleyball, Sir Francis Revilla. Chess, Sir Francisco Riestrado. And dance sports, we have Sir Wilven Mendaza. Football, we have Sir Carl Relyama. Futsal, Engineer Victor Lorese. Table tennis women, Engineer Oliver Padua. Taekwondo, Sir Robert John Luod. Volleyball men, Sir Francisco Serrano. Volleyball women, Mr. Melchor Palmones. So we have a total of 19 sporting events. Thank you.
And there you have it, the tournament managers of varied sports in this year's BU Olympics 2025. At this point, let us call on Mr. Jomar Opante, lawn tennis gold medalist, an athlete who reached the national squad, also a student of the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in fitness sports management, to lead the oath of amateurism.
Athletes, please raise your hand and repeat after me. I state your name, do solemnly swear to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship, integrity, humility, and respect for all. With the heart of the champion, I shall strive not only for victory, but to inspire hope every step I take. I will play with purpose, driven by humanity, fairness, and strengthened by unity. I shall honor my team, mentors, and my institution by giving my best. both in triumph and in challenge,
both in triumph and challenge.
I vow to be a role model of discipline,
I vow to be a role model of discipline,
compassion,
compassion,
perseverance beyond the competitions,
perseverance beyond the competition,
and venues I will partake in.
and venues I will partake in.
So help me God.
So help me God. Ayan, maraming salamat to our best athlete from the National SQUA 2025 and I believe 2024. Nag-uwi rin siya ng maraming medalya. Mr. Jomar Opante, an athlete from BU IPSR. At this point, partner,
Oo,
ayan
malapit na tayo.
we shall be witnessing one of the most symbolic highlights of today's ceremony. The lighting of the Bicol University Olympics Friendship Flame.
This flame represents the burning spirit of unity, passion, and camaraderie that ignites every BUNO athlete's heart. The lighting of the BU Olympics Friendship Flame will be led by, of course, the University Sports Development Program Coordinator, Professor Hilario Revilla III, Dr. Karina L. Sales, Sir Cyrus Barameda, and it will be followed by, of course, the Bicol University President, Dr. Nebres III.
Let's clear the track. Move po tayo. Make sure that we have enough space para po sa ating mga runners. Let's go. Ayan. So please clear the track. Students, please clear the track. Ready na ba kayo? Ayan, the moment we start, make your waves, BUenos! Ayan na! Holding the torch now is our Vice President for Administration, Dr. Cyrus Barameda. From our Vice President for Academic Affairs, now holding the torch is Dr. Karina L. Sales, the Director of BUIPESR. Holding the torch now. As our Vice President for Research, Development and Extension, Dr. Lani Maceda.
And at this point, the President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III, is holding the torch for the BU Olympics.
Sige nga, mag-wave nga tayo. Additional points pa yan. Alright, ready for the wave! 1, 2, 3, wave! Ang may pinakamalakas na sigawan at iyawan, uno na daw, sabi ng prof ninyo.
And there you have it.
The flame has already been lit. Biueños. Sige, tinatandaan ng mga prof ninyo kung sino yung may pinakamalakas na hiyawan at sigawan. May special tayo para sa hataw. Mga kaibigan, dalawa sa pinaka-famous dito sa Albay. Ang isa, vlogger. Tama ba? Oh, kung sinong makakahula, ayan na, may prize galing sa kanya. Pwede? Pwede po? Can we invite Sir Billy? Ay, ba?
Sinabi mo na.
Full name. Full name. Sige, go. Sige. Full name ng ating guest para sa hataw. Ready at the count of 3, ha? Full name. Ang prize manggagaling sa kanya, hindi sa amin, ha? Ready? Ops! Doon galing. Hindi pwede. Wala pa akong binibilang. At the count of 3. Ready? Sino ba siya? 1. 1 pa lang. 2. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone! My name is Napoleon A. Cano from BUIPSR BIPED 1B!
Okay, sino ang guest natin ngayon? Full name.
Si Mr. Billy Abelardo Balin Jr.
Tama po ba? Tama po? Tama. Okay, Sir Billy, yung prize kayo nang bahala. Mamaya may prize ka, be.
Thank you very much at welcome po to our guests. At this juncture, we'd like to call on our very own President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinebres III, to deliver a message and declare the opening of the BU Olympics.
Okay, I will not go to give the message. I know everyone is excited. Excited ba? Excited, excited? So as your university president, I am now officially declare this 2025 Bicol University Olympics open. Let the games begin!
Thank you, Pres. Maraming salamat. And of course, we also would like to acknowledge the presence of the Vice Mayor of Tabaco City, Vice Mayor Glenda Ong Bonggao.
Welcome, ma'am. And of course, Sir Billy, welcome din po.
Ayan na, Sir Ash, may tanong ako sa iyo. Pati sa ating mga BUNyos. Sir Ash!
Oh!
Game ka na ba?
Game na! Ma'am Grace, game ka na ba?
Game na!
Buenos! Are you ready?
Extend your arms, extend your arms. Extend your arms. Extend your arms.
Sangoloteo, make it clap, Sangoloteo. When I'm going girl, cock your back, talk, Sangoloteo. Bend your back, Sangoloteo, make it clap, Sangoloteo. When I'm going girl, cock your back, jiggle, 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 jiggle,
¿Qué quiere mamita? ¿Qué quiere la nena? Porque ella no baila. ¿Qué dice su papá? ¿Qué dice su mamá? Que baile la niña. Que baile la niña. Que baile la niña. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow me. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Hands up, down, up, down. Everybody now, put one hand in the air. One hand in the air. And we go from left to right. Watch this. Left, right. Left, right. Two more time, two more time. Left, right, 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 left. Follow. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. 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 Come on now, jump for the left, jump for the right, jump for the left, jump for the right. Everybody, jump for the left, jump for the right, jump for the left, jump for the right. Now clap and wave. Come on, clap and wave. Clap and wave. Come on, clap and wave. Everybody come. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader.
Bicol University Hot Now 2025! Medics po, dito sa may stage. Medic. sa may stage. Medic.
Requesting for medics.
Medic po, dito sa may stage. Bigyan po natin ng air. No, di po magsurusuan. Robert John Luod.
May we call on Mr. John Howard Clutario to be on stage. Also, we'd like to request the presence of Honorable Attorney John G. Ong Bungao. Medics po, malapit sa grandstand. And of course, John Howard Clutario.
Okay, medics. Ayan, pa-clear po. Coaching, may karga si Attorney Dayata. Ayan. Okay, pa-clear po. Pa-clear. Bigyan ng way. Yung may kasamang pasyente, pa-clear.
it to Mr. John Howard Clotario. And the same token will also be given to Attorney Gio Ong Bungao.
May nakapulot na po. Pero hindi po nila alam kung sino saan.
Okay, makikisuyo na lang yung may nakapulot ng iPhone 7 case, pink case. Okay, pakibigay na lang sa IPSR.
Announcement ni daw po ng medics, malapit daw po sa ilaw na yon, malapit sa Buses.
Yung nawawalang iPhone 7, my Sunny Angel na nakadikit. Medics, giveaway, giveaway. Clear muna tayo, clear. Sa unahan, harapan. Yan, clear, pa-clear po, pa-clear. Lahat ng lost and found, makikisuyo na lang po, BUNYOS. Pakibigay na lang sa office ng IPESR. Maraming salamat. Okay. Announcement sa lahat ng nangangailangan ng medics, kung kayang buhatin daw po papunta ng clinic, tulong-tulong na lang tayo. Dahil yung ating mga medics are already attending other students. Iyo po, tulong-tulong na lang po, dalhin na lang natin sa clinic. Maraming salamat.
Missing dark red leather na bag. Tama ba ako? Na wallet. If by chance may nakakita or nakakuha, pa-turn over na lang po sa IPSR office. And by chance, if you need medic po or assistance, unfortunately, we cannot, wala na po tayong to give response. So if kaya po, you can deliver the person in need to the clinic po.
Okay, yung nawawalan ng, ano ba tawag dito? Handy fan. Handy fan. Kulay pink. Baby pink. Nandito po sa akin. Pwede naman, partner.
Sa'yo na lang.
Sa akin na lang. Again, yung nawawalan ng handy fan, meron siyang, anong tawag dito? Kolorete. Ano ba? Basta, yun na yun. Okay, sige po. Again,
Missing
first
wallet?
priority natin yung ating medics, pero we are going to resume the program.
Missing wallet, color black daw po. May mga lamang IDs. If by chance makuha or makita, pa-turn over na lang po sa IPSR office.
Okay, Ma'am Ida, hinahanap ka po ng mga students mo. Paging, Ma'am Ida, hinahanap po ikaw ng mga students mo. Ayan na, nakita ko na si Ma'am Ida. Okay, so here we go. Our Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics 2025.
Sir Lood, we need the results.
Paging the chairman for this Mr. and Miss BU Olympics 2025, Sir Robert John Luod, you are needed po dito sa ating event.
Announce ko kung may nakakita ng iPhone na kulay black, probably iPhone 11.
Okay, yung may nakakuha ng iPhone color black, iPhone 11, pakibigay na lang po sa IPSR. Kuya, diretso ka sa IT. Tanong mo, kung kasi natanong sa kapatid. Dito baga. Tapos may katabi ng... Check ka doon. Kasi bakit ka po? Thank you po. Thank you po. Pwede pa patay si Ronnie. Ronnie Jess. Wala, hindi ko kasi namin siya mamata. May kukunin lang po sa kanya. Ronnie and then? Ronnie, Jess. Jess is Dilaw. Dito sa Okay, Mr. Rolly, Jess is Dilaw. Dito sa stage, kailangan ka ng mga kasama mo kasi uuwi na daw po kayo, hindi ka makontak. Tulong na lang yung in-need
The winners for the Mr. and Miss Bicol University Olympics 2025. To start with, the second runner-up for the Mr. Bio Olympics 2025 is none other than candidate number 3. Candidate number 3.
Again, our second runner-up for Mr. BU Olympics 2025 is candidate number 3. Okay, Mark Joshua Alcantara, kailangan ka dito sa stage. Kunin mo na yung mga gamit mo kasi ipapamain na to.
Second runner-up for the female category. Candidate number 11.
Miss BU Olympic second runner-up is number 11 from the College of Engineering.
Missing belt bag, Army Green, may lamang iPhone, 2 iPhones, isang wallet at dalawang wallet, isang ID. Pa-turn over na lang po. Color green, may 2 iPhones, 2 wallet at isang ID.
Julian Loria, Gate 3, kailangan ka na daw ng nanay mo.
Let us now proceed to award the first runner-up to our Mr. B Olympics 2025. Let us call on candidate number 2.
First runner-up, Mr. BU Olympics 2025. Candidate number 2, College of Nursing. Ayan, Sir Alexis Gime, kailangan ka daw po ng mga estudyante mo for your group picture. Jillian Olavere, kailangan ka ng mga kaklase mo. Tsaka Bianca Benson.
Awarding the first runner-up to our Miss B Olympics 2025. Allow me to call on candidate number 7. Candidate number 7 from the College of Education.
Shania Balote, nandito na daw yung sundo ninyo from BU Ginubatan. Pauwi na po ang BU Ginubatan. Shania. Okay, BUNyos, ha? Magpapa-page po tayo ng importante. Yung iba, power trip na lang. Nakakahiya. BUNyos tayo, okay? Kung power trip na lang, itigil po natin. Hindi nakakatuwa. Maraming salamat.
And let us now award the Mr. BU Olympics 2025 for the male category once more. Let us have the title, candidate number 7.
Trisha B. Abo, punta ka sa clinic.
And to complete our winners for this year's Mr. and Miss B Olympics, for the female category, our Miss BU Olympics
Christine.
2025,
Sorry.
candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6 from CSSB. Christine Lodong. Punta ka dito sa stage, ate. Charma Gripa. Stage po tayo.
Let us have the photo opportunities. And to all the candidates who did not
Rhea
win
Solano.
tonight,
May emergency daw sa bahay ninyo, kailangan mo nang umuwi.
thank you very much as well for joining us this year's BU Olympics. Once again, congratulations to our candidates who won the second, first, and the title.
Okay, yung mga in-need po ng attendance, no? Picture na lang po kayo, send nyo na lang sa GC ninyo, okay? Yun na lang po, ha? Picture na nandito, hindi yan ma-edit eh, na nandito kayo. Hanggang ngayong oras na to, send na lang po sa GC ninyo. That will be acknowledged by your professor. Sasabihan na lang namin sila.
Pwede paano po kay Christine, Angela, or Gina po? Christine, Angela. Tunay ka na. Christine, wala ba? Hey, Christine,
Zorone Micaela, Verdiflor, andito po ako sa stage. Hinahanap ko po kayo. Thank you.
Christine, Angela, nandito po kami sa stage. Pumunta ka na lang here. Thank you.